Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I'll be showing you how I did this quick and easy protective style on natural hair. So guys, I was literally about to go out, so I decided to do this quick and easy protective style for my natural hair. I'm doing this hairstyle on my old hair. My hair is clearly not washed here. I wanted to quickly go out, so I had to think of doing a quick and easy hairstyle on my hair, so I decided to come up with this hairstyle. This hairstyle is Bantu knot in front and then added hair at the back. So for this I'm going to be dividing my hair into two parts. For the front I'm just dividing it from ear to ear. I'm putting away the hair at the back so that I can work with the front where I'll be doing my Bantu knot. So for the Bantu knot, I'll be doing about 5. I'll be parting the hair in front into 5 smaller parts for the 5 Bantu knots. After parting my hair, I'll apply my gel. You can use shine and jam gel for this. Apply your gel and then just go ahead to kind of like twirl your hair and then wrap into a knot. So I'm going to be repeating what I just did. So I'm just parting my hair here, and then after parting my hair I'll apply my gel. You can use any gel you have. You can use shine and jam gel, you can use any gel, eco styler, you can use any gel you have. Just apply your gel and then twirl your hair for the Bantu knot and then wrap into a knot. As you can see me do, it's easy to follow. Just watch what I'm doing. And I'm done with the Bantu knot in front. And for the back, I'm going to wear my wig cap because of the hair I'm going to be using. So here I'm just laying down my edges. For the back, this is the hair I'm going to be using, so I'm just going to attach this to the back of my hair. I'm just arranging it the way I would like it, and then after that I apply my hair oil to the hair. I'm just going to finish this up by adding gold accessory. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next.